Good morning viewers, I'm Salma Nabila Mustafa from Global Student News, bringing you the latest news for today. Today main headlines come from Cisarua, where a serious landslide disaster has affected local communities. After several days of heavy and continuous rainfall, the incident has raised concerns about safety and environmental conditions in the area. The landslide occurred in a hilly region of Cisarua when the salt could no longer withstand the pressure of accumulated rainwater. Large volume of soil, mud, and rock suddenly moved downhill, damaging houses, public facilities, and blocking main access roads. The situation caused major disruption to daily activities and transportation for local residents. According to the latest reports from authorities, the disaster has resulted in fatalities, with several residents confirmed dead and others still reported missing. Search and rescue operations are being carried out under difficult conditions due to unstable soil and unpredictable weather. Search and rescue teams from the BNPB, Basarnas, the military, the police, and volunteers are continuing this effort, using heavy equipment to clear debris and locate victims. The local government has established a temporary evacuation center and distributed basic aid, including food, clean water, medicine, and blankets, especially for vulnerable groups. Experts warn that Cisarua is prone to landslide during the rainy season due to steep slopes, unstable soil, and environmental damage. Authorities have urged residents to remain alert and follow safety instructions, including possible relocation from high-risk areas. That's all news for today. Check this out at globalstudentnews.com for the latest updates. I'm Salma Nabila Mustafa. Thank you for watching and have a great day.